Okay, so we're looking at different types of quadrilaterals here, and this is where it's really important to keep referring back to these key ideas that I've put in here so that you know. In the first one here, it says classify each of these quadrilaterals as either convex or non-convex. So we've done this earlier. Convex shape is a quadrilateral that has all of its vertexes pointing outwards. Okay, so in the case of A, that is definitely convex. Alright, so I could say convex for that one. In this one, it has a convex that's pointing inwards, so that's non-convex. Alright, it's quite easy, quite simple. Alright, for C, once again, it has a non-convex angle here that is pointing inwards towards the shape, and that will make it a non-convex shape. For question 4 here, we're looking at the special types of quadrilaterals. Okay, so that's where these two parts in your key ideas are really important. So the first one is obviously a square. Okay, so that's going to be a square. For the second one, we have this shape. So we just look for it. Alright, here we are. Trapezium. It has one pair of parallel sides. Okay, so that's a trapezium. For C, this one, oh, that looks a bit funny, but if we turn it around the other way, we can see that it sort of looks like a kite, like this one here. And a kite has two pairs of side lengths that are equal and one pair of opposite angles that are equal. So there's our two pairs that are equal, and our two side lengths, 1, 2, 1, 2, that are also equal. Okay. For D, it's a funny sort of looking shape. We can tell here by these lines that all of the sides are equal. Okay, so all of the sides are equal, and we need to have a look over here at what one it is. Okay, is it a rhombus? Is it a parallelogram? We need to have a look. So at the moment, let's leave that one. We'll come back to it. We'll come back to that one at the end, because obviously there isn't an easy answer here that's jumping out at us. So let's have a look at E. E obviously is going to be a rectangle. Okay, and F, here we've got two parallel sides here, and we've got two parallel sides there. To me, that looks like a rhombus. Okay, because a rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides, so 1 and 2, and all sides are of equal length. All right, and opposing angles are equal. Okay, it looks pretty good to me, that one there. Actually, no, I'm wrong. I am wrong there. That's not a rhombus. Rub that out. That's why you've always got to be checking your work. It's a parallelogram. So the difference between a parallelogram and a rhombus is the fact that, yes, both of them have two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, but in a parallelogram, it has two pairs of equal lengths. So this length and this length are the same, and this length and this length are the same. So that means that it's a parallelogram rather than a rhombus. Okay, if we have a look at this shape again now, and we have a look at this, does it have two pairs of parallel sides? Yes, both of those are parallel. Okay, I can say with certainty that they are. They just haven't listed them. They're trying to be tricky. Are all side lengths equal? Yes, they've told us that all side lengths are equal by putting in those lines, and opposing angles should be equal. Those ones are equal, and those ones are equal. So this one is definitely our rhombus. Okay, so when you're classifying your types of quadrilaterals, and when you're working with these ones, always go back to your key ideas and continually check and tick off these points. Okay, it will get far easier when the test comes around, because you'll be used to doing this more, but you will need to try to remember these so that when you come to your test, you know them off by heart.